Welcome, welcome. You know, one of my favorite reasons for doing workshops is to get to know you all, how you think, what you like. We all think differently, and it's wonderful to hear how you think and what you like. And a little while ago, I was in a workshop and we were talking about linen, and several of the ladies were saying that they just completely have abolished linen from their wardrobe. No linen at all. I thought that was just really sad because I love linen. So I want to share my love of linen with you and what I have found that works for me even as I travel. So first off, quality really does make a difference when we talk about linen. It really does. Not because I sell it, not because I sell good quality linen, but because it really does make a difference. You've got to get good quality linen. Don't have to get it from me. But wherever you get it from, trust the source. You can't tell by feeling it. You have to trust the source of where it came from. Linen is a beautifully worn fabric. It's cool. It's breathable. It's wonderful. It's wonderful. Does it wrinkle? Yes. We're going to talk about that in a minute. So what I want you to do is, first off, in fact, look at this picture about wrinkling. Don't expect it to be wrinkle-free. Just change the expectations. It won't look like you just got out of bed. Get a better quality linen than that. But just change the expectations. Let it wrinkle, let it be okay, and you'll just love it. You'll grow to love linen. But if you just absolutely can't do that, like in the jacket I have on, I fused the entire fabric. And that I did that so I could travel with it. I fused it with our fusible tricot interfacing, and I fused the whole entire thing so that it would be less wrinkly as I traveled. I wanted to travel with it. So that's just an FYI. Okay, will linen shrink? It will. So you want to wash it before you make something out of it. Be sure you wash it. Wash in cold water, not hot, cold water. I would not put it in the dryer. If you do, you might just tumble dry for a little bit. But just for a short period of time. I put up some linens this morning. They're all so beautiful. You just have to take advantage of these beautiful linens. You'll really, really love them. You just have to trust me on that one. But they will shrink a little bit, so pre-wash them. They don't need Coca-Cola because linen in the natural process of washing will soften every single time. So don't worry about speed softening it. It will soften and it will do great on its own. So good quality, don't worry about the wrinkles. I'm going to suggest to you that you get a more structured pattern. I'm going to give you some pictures of patterns and fabrics. There's many more, many more. I'm just going to kind of outline a few basics, but keep in mind that because linen is a structured fabric, or you know, you just want to pair it with a like pattern. Okay, so let's look at a couple of suggestions that I have for making garments. Number one, a tank top. This first one, tank tops are right next to your body. They're underneath other jackets or maybe a little wrap. And so if you get hot, you can just take it off and you've got that little linen tank left. And they're beautiful. Number two, the classic blouse right next to it. You can see that classic blouse, again, right next to your body. Cool, comfortable, just great way to do this. A jean jacket. Jean jackets are just knock it out of the park out of a linen. It would be absolutely stunning. And then Max's jacket. Remember we had Max's jacket as a POM last month. Easy to sew, beautiful lines, perfect for linen. And yet again, the one I have on is close to Max's jacket. It's just a Samantha's jacket, 1912, but it's the body of Max's jacket, same body, everything, and then just that little extra layer added on to the top, the zippers. And then this last one I wanted to show you, you can take the classic blouse and lengthen it into a dress. A linen dress is great for summer. The new pattern that we just released, EF's barrel leg pant. Eileen Fisher did this in a linen. It'd be perfect in a linen, and it just would be, again, very cool and wonderful to wear. And then I have to say 2516 Phillip limbs bias skirt, only because that original was done in linen. It was just absolutely stunningly beautiful. So there's many more, but this is just a handful to kind of get you started. Don't be afraid of linen. It wrinkles. It's okay. Everybody loves it. It's expensive. You know, you can look at a really nice pair of quality linen pants. They're $400, $500, $600, $700. up to $1,000 for a pair of pants. They're just absolutely beautiful. So get your linen, enjoy it. Happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.